Yeah, we're at a truck stop that is closest to that road closure on 93, and it is definitely picking up, but is nothing compared to what it was before. I could barely see. That's how much dirt was getting picked up in the wind that was happening, and CDOT is basically saying gusts that strong, the only option for them is to close the roads.
You've always got things you're fighting, things you're dealing with.
Truck drivers like James Dean are used to dealing with whatever the road throws at them.
When you got gusts of this level, it can be extra tedious.
Victor Stevanov said he was getting more thrown at him than he'd like.
There are many baskets on the road, many trash on the road.
The gusts that just took Victor's hat were the same ones he was worried about taking his whole truck.
700 miles today. It was very slowly, very, because wind was like crazy.
We're seeing gusts up to 60 miles per hour or more.
Because of conditions like these, Stacia Sellers with CDOT said they shut down 4 Front Range roadways.
As things can sway into another lane, there's a higher chance of rollover crashes as well. So really these closures are in place for the safety of the public.
You have to pay attention on the road every second because every push of the wind can do something wrong with you.
And you just kind of do this the whole time. That's about what it's like in a truck, except sometimes when a real hard gust, you'll be like, okay, thanks, I didn't need that.
He's one of many at the Wheat Ridge truck stop delayed because of the wind.
So I have to wait to do my delivery until in the morning.
If there's a road closed due to high winds, there's not going to be a viable detour. It's usually just parking, waiting it out, or turning around.
And with another round of high winds expected Friday, these drivers will be watching the wind as closely as the road ahead.
It's fun. I don't really mean that. I'm
feeling like that truck driver. It's fun. I don't really mean that. But if drivers want the latest information, they can go to cotrip.org. All of CDOT's road closures are still in effect right now. So if drivers do want that latest information, they can go to that website. Reporting live in Wheat Ridge, Ria Jha, 9 News.